With Holacon's appointment system, participants at the event can communicate with each other by creating one-on-one or group appointments. To create an appointment, you need to click on the Notifications button to access the appointment section. In this page, your existing appointments will be listed. To create an appointment, simply click on the Create Appointment button, select the event, appointment subject, appointment location, appointment date, appointment time slots, appointment duration and attendees, then click on the Save button. The attendees you send appointment requests to can accept or decline the request to determine their participation in the appointment. For on-site events, you can schedule one-on-one appointments with the designated authorities in the exhibition booths to communicate with booth representatives.